Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can get story mode on TikTok, and it's pretty simple, so follow the step. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to get story mode on TikTok, it's basically available to you on the default mode, which means first make sure your TikTok is up to date, because this feature is only available in the latest version of TikTok. So make sure your TikTok is up to date. And after your TikTok is up to date, basically after opening TikTok, just like how you normally upload a photo or video on TikTok, you want to click on the plus button at the bottom, right? Well, for the story case as well, you need to click on the plus button. And as you guys can see over here, my camera is a bit small over here, so this is basically the story mode, as you guys can see. Now, whatever video I record or photo I click, it's going to be uploaded on my story. So this is over here on by default. Let me show you. I click a photo and I click on your story and it's going to be uploaded as my story. This is basically like story mode on TikTok, but you might be like getting confused. So how do I upload my video? Well, if you want to upload a video, then you click on the plus icon, the same plus icon at the bottom, but this time over here where it says 60-second, click on it. Now you have transferred to how you guys can upload a long form video on TikTok. So that's how you guys can get story mode on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time. But if you don't get this mode, that just means your TikTok is not up to date, alright? So make sure to update your TikTok.